Yes, man. Cock quick. You know the style, right? Yes, you do. Yes, boo. I know you do. Fix my cell phone, alright? Boxers are right up. Big spliff in my mouth and everybody can pray me. When me tell you this, me I them dreaming. Tell them want me and them not stop pray me. See me the cock quick boss easy. Yo, girl a fuck me for nothing. Little and nothing. Girl just a give me pop off your button. Girl a wine pa me cocky girl. Let me say, oh yeah. Feel me? Lisa, what's good? Your early Lisa. After that topic is sweet today. I swear, because the whole of we are got through it, boy. Man a cute boy in a real life. If me cute, say yes. Morning, Saji. What's up, baby? Sherry. What are the choppings? Give me 1 minute. I mean 10 seconds. Yo, me last, me lighter. So me have to use a one matches, and that's why you see me run from the breeze. You see me? Breeze me run from. John, what dog? Me happy about the way, you know, dog. Much is all done. Yo, me gonna tell you that thing. You see nowadays that we buck, girl? Me not gonna tell you so we don't love people again in arm. Me gonna tell you no love no out here no more, dog. No more love no there. So everybody does a fuck and go through daddy. You see me I deal with? Nobody not no time for your fuckery. You see me I deal with? So what them I do now, right now? When them buck you, them a fuck you and cut you. You understand me? I deal. Me not talk no fucking joke thing, dog. Bumbuckle I do now. Me telling you this, dog. You see nowadays, if you're not nothing for give girl not give you pussy. Right now every girl has to sell some fuck. I just saw the thing go. Right now, as we speak, nobody not have time for love no more. Everybody just use somebody and go through. Where you fuck me for? Tell me now. Only say Prettii Dan are the ugliest thing. But why someone wanna girl and do it Prettii Dan? Why someone wanna girl? You see me? And spirit take. Right now people spirit that take your heart, man. Let me tell you this, dog. You will live in a house with your man or your woman. And you swear to your blood class self, say yo. You see me? I love a go on in here say, you have a good blood clot job and your credit don't look too bad. You understand me? I do you can't do sit for me and that people do with nowadays. People not do with people do with them credit. People do with you for what they can get, and that is the truth, and that's how it go. And life. You understand me? No for no ugly girl. No for no thinking mouth girl. Someone no thinking mouth girl have man. One of us say something wrong with the equation there. If man no want you thinking about girl, if man no want you thinking about girl. You get me? You say you thinking about girl, if man do not want you where you work, or where you game. Or where you game, where you work, girl. Me thinking about girl, you must work somewhere. You have to have a good fucking job. Up top, where you deal with unrolling. Mr. Dog, nowadays, any girl you could have ugly like blood clot monkey you get, man. Where you work? You don't know, say them boy you want to sit down at home and not do nothing. They don't want to go on. Them boy you want to sit down in the house and not do nothing. Ugly thinking about girl who not get man now because them boy you out there just want to know. Mama, them don't love you now. JFK, what's up, New York in the building? Look for me. Me say thinking about girl, Them your man, you out here, they are phone a thinking mouth, girl. Believe me, thinking mouth, girl. And a joke me, I make thinking mouth, girl. You see me, I deal with? Brother, you ever see some girl? I walk on the road yet with a man. Hear you to yourself. Then me blood clot. Oh, she get him. She's a blood clot, ugly mama. God they know mama is a nurse. God they know mama want help in. God they know mama study if you become doctor, mama have money. The man no mind his ugliness. All on a big belly girl. All on a big belly girl, fat ugly girl. I want me attack big old fat girl. I want me attack no fat girl. You see uno fat girl? I wanna get the whole I man them now. Uno fat girl. Big fat girl them. You see big blood clot man for them, and them get the blood clot man them now. Cause them a boy you know like work. You understand what I deal with? You see when the man them link me from yard, the man they say pretty done. What? You can't give one as big as them over foreign there. You hear what the blood clot man say want? The man say want one as big as them from over here. The man say pretty done give me a big as. He's a big as me want. So me say then this boy a blood clot. Him not natural. Him not natural. So me say dog, why you want a big as? Why the big as? Out of everything else is a big as you want. Him man say yo, then the girl they married to you fast. Make you get green card fast. Make you come off foreign fast. When them come here fat girl, let me tell you fat girl. You see when they come here fat girl, they done with you in a fat girl. Fat girl, me say them done with you fat girl. They give bun till you fuck fat girl. Big man thing fat girl. You see me I deal with uno fat girl. As me say fat girl, thinking mouth girl, ugly girl, them get the most man nowadays. Them get the best man them. You understand me? The best looking man them are them they then get. The best looking man them. You understand me? Thinking mouth girl, fat girl, ugly girl, and them have the man them now. You know see no pretty girl with man. You think I lie? Uno think I lie? Uno think I lie? Me say, when a Jamaican man asks if a girl a foreign baby, boo, me say, when time a man a beg a girl, nowadays, some fuck, him not have to beg them because of the thinking mouth girl, fat girl, them the ugly girl there. And them a get you enough to beg them the pussy. All you have to do is just tell them, say, mama, me like you. Them the girl, they give the world, they give their heart, soul, and body whole, dog. Big man thing. Them you nowadays thinking mouth girl, and them have the money. Then thinking mouth girl, more ask a question. Thinking mouth girl, more ask you one question like a thinking mouth girl. All of them have money or you have a mind, man. You can't buy toothpaste. You can't buy one Listerine. You can't swallow one can for ball. You can't swallow one fucking can for ball. Make them move them blood clot Kelvin. Me not care. You know why me up on the topic, yeah? Hey man, never stop fucking thinking about girl and for things there, my youth. Stop fucking big fat girl and for things there. Stop fuck girl for reach a foreign, my youth. To that sell fuck. Now for the boy I sell fuck out here. Una gigolo. Una gigolo. Dirty gigolo boy. You see me I did? What do you see what thinking about girl? What do you see a thinking about girl? And me say yo. When me see the man who she dead there with, you know, me not think so when me dress like girl, me can't get that the boy there. And me say thinking more girl, you thinking more girl dead there right there so with the man at that, youth. I see him want because guess what, mama work. No for no blood clot pretty girl, we don't always talk about the pretty. We don't want this and blood clot that. It costs with too much. If fuck with uno, you feel me I deal with all uno half the offer is when we show wood in your belly, uno look less ugly when you make up on your face. That's it. Uno look less ugly when you make up on a blood clot whole face. You understand me I deal with? Yeah. You say thinking more girl. Let me tell you something now, dog. Right now thinking more girl run all out on a hot phone now. Dog, me say thinking more girl am a win. Thinking more girl a win, pretty girl a lose. No pretty girl now get no man again. Make sure your blood clot ugly. The uglier you be, and the more money you get nowadays. Cause them your boy nowadays not believe in a love. They believe in a likes. wait. Let me tell you a thing. Jamaican man make it bad for no for blood clot we that day. Me say that day, they make it bad for no for we. You see nowadays that they are foreigner. Let me show you no style. Brother, when you can't depend on blood clot carnival. Mama, me I said no man. Oh, yeah, Yankee. What's up, girl? How you doing? Feel me? Do you like me? You feel me? I'm Jamaican, you know? Do you know curry chicken? Do you know banana dumpling? You understand me I deal with? All him a warm me up for doing your mouth, your blood clot. Cause see me like how Jamaican girl love near mouth paper. I saw Jamaican man love near mouth paper. You see me thinking mouth girl? Who no ugly no bumbo clot? Some man, let me see I get some green card of foreign in a dog. A wickedness, man, them up here do feel green card them in a daddy. Daddy. Them green card are real. Youth. Me say man. Me say man a foreign with some blood clot, girl. What we about 300 ton? Youth. Me I tell you, say me see some blood clot Jamaican hot man way in the Gucci them with the bossy blood clot crab walk. You see crab walk man them? You see how them man the way you think say them a fucking hottest girl them a foreign? Wrong blood clot bang file sweetheart. You have to tell you what them a do? Him man them a fucking ugliest girl a foreign. Just so they can drive in a Benz them. Just so they can drive in a Bima them. Just so they can get good tax return. Just so they can blood clot and they on child support. Dog, gonna listen me. Listen me. Yes, man. Let me tell you this, when you down Jamaica, you hear the blood clot, man, them own. Me don't like blood clot thinking more girl. No thinking more girl can come on me yard. No thinking more girl. And a foreign them come there with the most thinking more girl, because you don't like brush teeth, you know. Hear me, I try to tell you, dog. Them your people are foreign no brush them blood clot tongue. Think you smoke them up here so me come find them, man. Think you smoke them. And them a girl up here, then drinky blood clot coming up. So when you see all of that, they stain there, the whole of the blood clot stain, the fluid, a flow down in a bumbo clot, a esophagus go weird down in a blood clot, tonsil, everybody I get it. Your mouth must stink. Your mouth must blood clotting. So all of them are thinking mouth don't know the Yankee girl, and them the Jamaican man them get. You want me tell you no why no for no blood clot a Jamaican married and no reach up here yet? Dog! In a foreign it a rules. If your woman don't walk, you can't come here. As stink as the mouth is, as sour as it is, as ugly as it, you can't blood clot come here thinking. That they thinking about girl I can't save you know. Cause if him more think and he have bad credit and bad reputation, it fuck for him up here. He get fucked. Remember that blood clot. No found down there sit down catch up a blood clot again. Nothing in love again. Everybody does a spirit take. All me. Look how my blood clot ugly. If me ever tell you how much girl like me, would you not say blood clot pretty than a lie? Achoo. Them a girl on no business. You could have ugly like blood clot Freddy. They no care. As long as them a get little hype out of it. Or me can buy them one or two perfume, them girl fuck me any day. Oh. Any day. Nothing in love again. Don't make nobody fool. We're not real blood clot either, you know that? We're not real blood clot either, you know? Yo, hi! You see this sitting over name? I love you. Nowadays, we stop taking it serious, dog. Everybody say. Everybody say. Everybody say it. I love you. Just coming like not that the national anthem. Eternal Father bless, oh Lord. That's all it is. A fucking anthem. I hit them put in their mouth. We take out the money out of your pocket. Them your Jamaican man you know if you finesse. You hear what one Jamaican man say fuck love. Thank you, Claudia. One of them say, oh, fuck love. Let me tell you this. Not none of your love out there again. None of stop fucking life. Boy, yo. I love you from the first. Let me tell you when love did that. Let me tell you, remember which one love did that. I can show you where you go find that blood clot. You see the man and woman will have for your grandmother and grandfather back in a feed them blood clot 40s time, love the down there. And that's why you come out of slavery. If I did them, you set a slave, yeah. Did they in a past slavery, I'll know we in a slavery. I'll know who in a slavery. The only thing, they make girl out and think to do with the slave master them, I try to fuck them to come out. That's all. You get me? Me say, do it now. Hey, right then if you want to fuck a girl easy, just tell her say you love her. Yeah? Just tell her say you love her, man. I love you. I love you. Just say it. And you don't have to say it with a whole heap of emphasis, man. I love you. Just write in one text. Send in one telegram. Post it bumbucklad on Facebook. I love you. The whole of them run with it. Nowadays, I love you is like food stamp. You get it at the end of the month because you want free food. You hear me telling the dog? A freeness that telling I love you, but I don't love nothing again. And I can't say, I never blood clot and I don't go and run me down. One blood clot run me down and think I do what me and make. Yo. Right now, me know why you know I love you, dog. That not go nowhere. All I wanna just want beg me money. And I'm born to want fuck people for hype. Eh? Hey, a long time I use matches. And no laugh for me neither. North Carolina, big up yourself. I love you, Suzette. You see me? No laugh for me matches life. Me not fuck nobody for bomb buckler by lighter. Who know better me? And that me I tell you no. Me when I Jamaican, I come and find and I wall out. The rest of them now wall out. When you see me have my matches? Alright, me not a lighter. I mean, I make nobody whining on my body wall feet. Me not make nobody come tell me say they love me feet because they want fuck me feet. That me I try tell you now. When a Jamaican tell you say they love you, hawks good. Me say hawks good. When one Jamaican tell you say love you, hawks blood clot good enough. If I me like you, me hawks good. Come, me no blood clot here you. I love you too, cuz. Hi Angel, we got my cousin Sherry. Me, when me say I love you, I mean it from the bottom of my body hole, man. Me not talk about from the bottom of my belly, from the bottom of my body hole. I last blood clot exit that for me now. I last blood clot exit that for me. Nowadays, you hear them all if I run around for it. Oh, I love you. Dog, fuck that. I love you the easiest thing for your ear. Shove your tongue in a girl and make them come and you hear them. Oh, babe, I love you. I love you. I love who? Who you love? Love you to my brother. I really you know say I love you a long time, dog. Eh? I'm gonna fuck out your whole head up and I love you like a scratch blood clot record, girl. Eh? No love, no out here again, no just talk it out. Talk it out when I fuck with some money. Eh? Fuck me and get some money. Fuck me and get some money. Fuck me and get some money. I love you, Suzette. Me and I fuck her this year. Yo, what do you buck a girl? Who remember? Remember say what do you single, you know? From about 2 weeks now, though. And me say a girl come in on my inbox and the girl tell me say, hey, pretty Dan, let me show you a style in a dog. You see you, without you in my life, baby girl, I can't fly. Me say then mama, me never know so we get wing. Unless we are blood clot, jeepers, creepers, down at this bumbo clot, you talk about me, we make you fly. Me can't make you fly, mama. Me and the jeepers, creepers, mama. Don't lie to me. Tell me what you want. Do you have to fuck for some likes? You fuck for some likes, mama? You want me to share one of your pictures? And that you want me to, mama? You want me to share one of your pictures? Jesus Christ. Mama! Stop fuck with things. Jesus Christ. Me say stop. Molly, wagwan. Me say stop fuck with things. Mama, when you come in my inbox, so good, so calm. Oh, not this. No blood clot that. No want this, no want that. Me well, mama. Well, mama, believe me. Believe me, mama. Believe me, mama, me know say you don't love me. Canada, I'm coming in February. February, them book me for Canada. Me not even tell me say them book me for Canada yet. I chat too much. Me tell you what Jamaican man can't hold them out and the lies sting them. No other man on earth no lie like Jamaica man them. That's why me tell you say no love no out here again. No run me down when me talk because that's true. No love no out just again. Jamaica man them are lies. Fuck are the lies, man. Some jet blood clot like the boy them tell to you know daddy. Them boy are what? Them boy are wicked daddy. Believe me, man. Good morning, Afiza. Me said them a Jamaican man, you are the liest thing you can find for earth, man. You see if one Jamaican man tell us if he run, walk. Mama, walk, mama. Please, don't do it. Mama, if one Jamaican man tell us if my shirt blue, mama just believe say red. Please, me I beg you, mama. Mama, you don't see how me I beg you? You go protect the rest of them. You go protect the rest of girl them, dog. Don't let them fall to the lies. Hot boy king, stop it fuckery, because you know your blood clot tell life you get pussy too. Dog, stop it fuckery. Boy, lie. You allow the bumbo clot tell life you pussy. Ronaldo walk on. Me tell life a girl pussy. Come on, fuck she. Yeah, and the only way that fuck she, I me tell her a lie. Glendy's my sister, what's up? Me tell girl say my father own franchise a KFC. Right from Mullines Road. You hear me? Me do that. Me tell lie. I mean, oi. Hey, me blood clot tell lie to girl say him you give me 5 grand for pussy and one time him done fuck a 250 me have. You see me a deal with? 250 me have a want to your dog. You all will tell them girl a lie. Cause me can't give the ass say them cow blood clot fat but in a real life me can't give a shit. You see me mama? Mama, me borrow me bread in them hottest shoes and hottest clothes. I saw the man them a do you know. And come out clean. Mad man. Man a liar, man, you me blood clot tell lie. When me tell lie, you know, my lie just stick to you know. A girl alone me tell lie to you know, cause I don't need to tell lie to the rest of the world. Fuck that. You see girl them, yo, nowadays you can't get a girl if you not tell him some lie. That me try to tell you say love not there again. Stop blood clot tell me about love youth. No love not there so again, papi. You see me I deal with? Don't tell me about that. Tell them girl you're too liar, you must fuck it. Believe me. Just tell her what you think she want to hear. And you hear sitting. When you buck her up, before you hear she start tell you about her stress, just start solve them. Solve her stress them. Before they even come out her mouth. You understand? Say, mama, me know you got through it. Start deal with her like you want profit. Start deal with her like a God send you come down here. Say, hey, I feel the troubles that you're going on with. I am very sorry. The Father would help you to come through this. And He sent me as a guiding hand, the force of happiness to keep you. Your blood clots stay there. Lie man just tell you. He man tell you some life you can fucking in your hole. Hey, let me tell you something. The easy. I'll tell you now one little story and it's going to be very, very fucking painful. If you want find the easiest girl to fuck, make sure her man just left. Buck up on a girl and she and her man argue right now. Watch me. You just hear me say, hey girl, go on, man, move your bum buckle from your man. You see her ball come. Like a blood clot idiot. You stop her right in her tracks and say, yo, Bill, you're not to let anybody treat you like that, sweetheart. Carry that go buy it all a tough bag juice and a blood clot tigers. Yeah, fuck that. Believe me. Tell her, say, me, a man like me if you fuck you, baby. You understand me? A man like me if you fuck. Love no day again. We just pay for some pussy and we not sell some pussy as girl. So we go. You get to me a deal with daddy? Right now, me love see what them girl and them man break up. Cause them vulnerable you fuck. Easy for fuck. And the easiest thing them for fuck, man. Because guess what? They say they hurt. And that ball like fucking idiot, they hurt. You go there now, you put your hand on his shoulder, you rub his shoulder, you rub him blood clot shoulder, tap his shoulder 2 times, rub him in the head, crotch him in the head. You fucking that. Yeah man, one tickers and bag juice. Hey, let me show you a style. Youth, hey, youth. You see nowadays, pussy cheap, you know, me think batty they for more price than pussy. You're pussy. You see me, you could have well strike, man. Go suck your mother. You see me, I want to the breeze here. Eh? If the breeze think me not bunny weed today, but Bill, man, breeze, Bill. Bumbo clot. I hate this. Yeah. I hate this. I like this for us. Yeah, man, no love, no target, man. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. Everybody stop trying. Everybody done beat game, you know. You know what game? The girl them say, all of the man want a pussy, and one of man say, all the girl them want some money. So I call it product and demand. You understand me? I demand money for this product here. This product here is pussy. I expect you to buy me everything when I want. Alright. Me freeze? Yeah, match is done, dog. Yeah. Dog. My lighter done. I'm well one bonus split, you know this style. Me now make the boy grease my body like car wheel for the blood clot lighter, you know. You know? No boy can grease. Wanna make sure so they like my fan page. I mean, you're pretty done. I guess the phone don't know because I'm going to depend on the WhatsApp status them. When me I tell you blood clot, girl, them say, you don't tone yourself. You don't tone yourself. You don't tone yourself, girl. You know? And I pussy me a sell, but, you know, any boy I fuck me, want to give me some money. A pussy I sell, mama. Believe me, man. Mama, I some pussy I sell. You vex me, mama. You vex me. You know the style. Eh? Them you get out there nowadays. Them hold on. Hey, let me show you a thing. Nowadays, girl coming like Donald Trump. Then grab you by the cocky. You understand me? Grab you by the dick. Right then and there. They want to know what going in your pants nowadays. Girl coming like man nowadays. You see like how we like to see pussy fat in her shorts. On the love to see pussy. On the love to see pussy too, but on the love to see when the cocky print out in a boxer. Coulda dog. You know what say? You know what say the match is your style me do. Yo. Hey, hey. What an embarrassment on the big bumbo clot done. What a blood clot. You look like your match is done, brother. How are you going here, sir? Fuck that. Me get a matches. Yes, the lucky door. Me can't get no matches. And lucky in the baby. So I get, fuck your spliff tail. Me not have to burn no way. Lighter? Why me not a lighter? Me not with the boy grease my body like car wheel for the lighter, yeah, man. You see me a deal with? It don't make no sense to come out here and talk about say, oh, I can't wait to fall in love like Jack and Rose on Titanic. Remember say Jack dead. Jack blood clot dead on Titanic there. So you continue to talk about no one love like Titanic if you go chuck off in a blood clot water or boat. And when the blood, hey, there's something wrong with life, you know, man. Hey, kiss my fucking blood. Hey, morning, mama. Volcano matches, I best matches that in the whole world, you know, dog. It done, it fucking matches done with a pussy like that. Me will knock your door and see if them will go open it, and me will tell them to get me another matches, you know? Yeah. Xavier, bro, my brother, bad charge. Hello, bad charge. My nigger. One match. Yes, look here. Yes, look here, style me. Bad chance. No battery around here. That's right. No worry, man. We get a fresh pack. You know the style. Yo, let me tell you a style now. You see me, from me touch. Well, me not touch age when me completely start being honest yet. Cause as you see, me not gonna lie to you, me tell a couple lies to sometime. You understand me? You make me feel bad sometime if me not telling you the truth. You see me I deal with me now, me lie to you. That one here fire! That one here fire, dog! That one here fire, you fuck! Hear me now. Let me tell you, as long as I love weed and weed love me, that is all I need. Yeah, me still tell girl lie. Me still tell girl lie every day. You understand me? Yeah. Alright, yeah, some days when one girl here tell you say, yo, you know some girl cuss me and tell me say me ugly. Talk it truth, Dan, me ugly. All if you ugly, no woman, me not tell you say you ugly. No. Mama, me say I love stick me to the man. Yo, slick, you're joke, dog. Me said that not done. What heap in there? Yeah, man. Oh, no. Slick that one in fire, dog. The fire. Nowadays, when you're looking at your woman's eyes, back in the day when you're looking at your woman's eyes, you tell her things like that. I saw the sun, the moon, the mountains and the rivers. I saw heaven when I made sweet love to you. Yeah, that you hear back in the day when my mother and father fuck on them thing there. Nowadays, you don't hear that. If you come up on the Yankee side, and them you sang them fuck to hibbity, howdy, nigga, howdy, nigga, chop, hey, chop, that the girl them a skin out them thinking self too. Them the Yankee there. And then you have the Jamaican set now. You have the Jamaican fucking set. Where them chuck up ground like blood clot bird or fly out of the sky. You feel me? When a blood clot come head way. You understand me I deal with? I know for me sit dead in a blood clot dance. I know for me sit dead in a dance on a girl. I know for a girl, that's why we don't love one. And then we don't want so we don't want love. How the fuck? Me even come in and dance can see up on the ground like tile and take you up as my wife. You fucking bride. Koya. Me say you bride. Fucking shit house. You peasant. Junker. How do you want? Me say dirty girl. Don't fucking tell me that. You shit house you. Dirty fucking wretch. Hey, oi. Don't fucking play with me style. No phone, no blood clot, girl. Yo, when you not going to dance now, all you no want here, you know. Wanna have the hide down, I want. You have the one when him hide down. Him now, him telling us say who not the body broker. So no good on, I no good on, I no blood clot good on. When you no good on, I no good on, and good on, and then you say when I stay there, I wanna down there, I wanna down there. Then when I man then come catch you now and slam up on your head all in your wall, you so now, and him bird him choke a ground upon your son. Dirty blood clot. Shit out. I saw wanna make it go on now. You feel like me a deal with? Man, tired when they done dancing with the man, cause no dance a fight. You see me a deal with? Man, we see girl a wine in a dance down a yard there. And I don't want a wife up. Who don't want a wife up? Who don't want a wife up dirty girl? Who do we there in a dance a wine, so? I want man we just run on from blood clot and take you up, you know. A woman at the blood clot wall, you know. Just a run with your blood clot wall. I fight and I fight that. I fight. Oi! You see that set of people, eh? And them always want to be somebody's wife. And them always want to be somebody's husband. Eh? Eh? You go in at the blood clot dance, go spread out yourself like chapel in a ground. And you want me to be a man? You want me to say me love you? Love what? You coming like a fucking wrecking ball. Don't him no blood. Me say one time, me say, them a keep one road dance at Jamaica. And me say to blood clot, and I me go road. Mama go up on the head top. You see when mama go up on the head top, me hear some blood clot Nissan Sonny pick up him bumbo clot, you see man. Biff! How is him bumbo clot way over one part, over one corner, over one side, under one mat? Dirty in a blood clot. You forget that on a party that are not dancing, you need to go blood clot walls. You don't know waltzing. You don't thinking blood clot. All I want to know if it's 6:30 and bend over and touch knee and touch toe. But none I want to know if it's set on a blood clot self. If you make a man really and truly dance with you respectfully. You understand me? If me not clot out to your teeth, them out of your mouth in a dance, you don't feel like you don't dance. If me no blood clot kick you down the ground, turn my body and poop in your head, you don't feel like you dance. Me half you kick in your head, man. Me half you chew all my friend them by you. Make you feel the pressure. You like that. And I who do want no love, no out ya. If I saw no behave, who no get blood clot love, man. Which part of the people I put on them the blood clot idiot love there? Them the idiot. Yo, me say them the idiot love them a day so be. Me not tell you say if you behave like a church girl, you know, mama. But still, mums, don't be the blood clot plyboard. Dirty no bumbo clot dash down all about. You coming like blood clot rubbish. You there all about in a dance and you want me to walk around in a place with you own you. You see me there? I want to know my youth. Yo, you remember when dirty wine did come out? And no found a dead enough. And no found a dead man. No found a dead off fire. You see me? Alright, me really tell me done, mama. You see me? And no found no. You know blood clot did dead off fire. Remember one girl down at Nago Z. So, but I'm coming from now. And I say, girl, dirty wine and she dirty wine to blood clot. Go up on all in head and a dirty wine. Oh, you forgot for your head and dirty wine, you must broke your neck. Broke him blood clot neck right same place in a dance, then pick up that blood clot. Who no love exalt on the dirty self too much. Who no love exalt. When you see dirty people, you don't know them. When you go in a dance, you don't know dirty people. When you go in a community, you know the dirty people them. You don't have to ask nobody how why dirty people them. Dirty people show you themselves. They don't hide it. They make you know say, me dirty, me fuck up, me a germs, me chat people. You feel like you deal with, they come to you with it. Because from you come to me with people business one time, you know. You mix up and that's why you're not a man. You know nobody not come in your yard. Nobody man no want fuck you because you go talk, because you love them thing there. You mix up. You feel me I deal with? Yeah man! No love, no out your people, that's do what the fuck them feel like dog. All in a marriage. Marriage are the shit nowadays when the boy can tell you about yo woman. Huh? Yes man, to be a mom is beautiful. Farah, I know that, but me just can't produce Pitney. You sorry for me? Breed and give me, no? Me take care right. You see me? Me can't breed. Don't know here. Me can't breed. You understand me? God never make no passage down there so for me if he show about nothing out of. Yes, think him one vagina about the young thing come out of it a monthly. And that's it. Nothing else can come out there. You understand? You understand? Yeah. I mean they tell you that already. That's why you don't see me around there. Me can't be hypocrite. That's why me not dressed in a girl clothes. Because me not go come out, no love no out here, you know. Remember me can trick somebody boy Pitney and have them in my house too. Me can trick them and say me a girl too. And you see me because me have pussy dog there. But no, me not do that. Me know me can't breed. I serious something Claudia, me can't breed. In a real blood clot life, me cannot fucking breed. You know what I mean? A serious sitting. Me don't love to get a youth still. Me did try, you know, one time or two or three. Me try a couple times for breed, man. But me I wonder if a target practice the boy did need or a bulletproof me haven't. And the doctor them explain it to me and say, you know what, Pretty Dan, your home is not for babies. You see me? Yeah. Yeah. Me try. Me try. Me try. Girl, me not there's a man coming on me already. No love no out there, no. Man coming on me hole. More than one time. I mean, if you get some exciting pussy, you're going to come inside of it, of course. You understand me? Of course, man empty then clipping on my belly already. You understand me? Bloom, bloom, bloom. Nothing at all. And them the boy that shooter. Them the boy that a shooter miss. You see me I deal with? Especially when me get them excited, you know? You see me all my body because of alright then, well then. Boom. I ate this. Me and you me excite down all your body. Oh you mean? You didn't know see if you suck your man nipple. Man love get the nipple suck, you know. Suck all from boy nipple and that's why some other girl now make your boy them fall in love so them a fuck you because of spirit tech. Make me as one girl boy tell you this. As a girl boy, me I go tell you this. You have to suck off your man nipple them ladies. Suck him balls, suck the tip of him dick, ride him cocky. Him love them thing, they excite the man, make him give you money. Some of the girl demand money to spread out on a blood clot 2 slices of bread. And I say it go. You know spread out your 2 slices of bread and expect salam if you just go in between it some mama. You see your 2 slices of bread, build it up to that. Make sure say you take out the salami, make it out, cut up some lettuce for salami and them things. And then you put the salami in between it too. But you just want to open your 2 blood clot slice of bumbuckler hardware. Like say you feel like a so you go. You have to blood clot please your man too. Just like all the while me always come and tell us if you please the girl them. Uno girl if you please the blood clot man them. You see me? As a girl boy me a chat to uno girls. Uno have to fuck him like a whore. If you want your man to stay with you, fuck him like dog. You don't ever fuck him like no Christian. That's how you lose him, sweetheart. You understand me, sweetheart? That is how you lose him. Feel me? You want love? That's what you want? Fuck your man like a dog shit. Fuck him like whore. Carry him round the back of the yard. Go fuck him. Go fuck him in a car. Fuck him in him friend them backyard. The whore shit. If you want your man to stay with you forever and ever, amen, this is what you do. Do the freaking nasty shit them when you go road for. I hit you for do, for keep your man in your yard. You understand me I deal with? Suck him hood, suck him nipple, rub down him body just like how you look a blood clot body want rub down the man self too. Massage him shoulder them, the blood clot hood turn up tiff some mama. Turn up tiff some mama. Turn up tiff some mama. You understand the more you turn on your man, the more you turn on your man, the more cocky you get inside of your belly. You understand me? You have to please your man to be. You can't just talk about your girl, skin out pussy, ready for pussy get sucked, but baby, I like it when you lick it like that. Baby, lick it. No! Suck him hood, suck him nipple, rub your tongue all over him too. Just like you want blood clot, the man use him pussy clot tongue as a bearding rag pan you, use fear as a bearding rag pan him. University of Prettii than on a death today. You understand me? You see men, them love it when time when you kiss them and them like a place and bite them here. So you turn them on, you know. You just you tease him, you put the pussy on him warmly. You understand me? Don't drop it like it's hot, mama. Drop it like it lukewarm. It better for you. You see if you drop it like it too, when you drop it like it too hot, we are gonna come quick and you are gonna cuss. You understand me? Drop it lukewarm. Yeah. Yes, when you drop it lukewarm, it give enough time. And then you drop it like it hot one time. You know it's a time for it hot now. Hot it up. You understand me? Hot up. You understand me? Hot up. You know your belly. Hot up. You know your belly. You understand me? I deal with you no now. You understand me? Who never knows that when you make on sex life spicy so you can fall in love no out here, you have to look it for yourself. When you go out there and find a man, don't say you love him yet. You will find out soon if you love him or not. Please the man. You understand? Yo, tease him with the pussy sometime. My girl in the blood clot house a cook. What you doing so much clothes? You have blood clot none? Me look like me a bumbo clot the Pope. Me look like me that Vatican City. Cooking at some body rider, some blood clot boy shots and them thing the pussy print out and fat in your clothes and thing. You understand me? When me see somebody fat me, to pussy clot. You feel me a day with mama? Yeah. I mean like the style. Feel me? We have a blood clot poor loving of them people. Yeah. If you love somebody, make me love you. Make me love you. Do I gotta get water from the moon? You don't have to get no water from the moon. Suck the man hood, suck his nipple, kiss up him body. I saw your blood clot get your man and make your man stay and love you. Oh no man, when you suck on the girl them pussy and suck her nipple them too. When you go in on the bedroom, when you just freak on the wall and that's still on the blood clot top. You understand me? Fuck and suck each other the whole fucking time. You understand me? Yeah. Good. Just I saw to get love. Me I telling you the remedy now. Just fuck nasty. The nastiest way. Just suck good anyway. Fuck anyway. Do anything anywhere. Yeah, man. Don't make no girl tell you say don't fuck you or else you nah go blood clot get no.